Destiny 1 dashboards powered by Tableau are engaging and powerful data visualizations that allow higher education leaders to see trends and operate their business with data-driven intelligence. Higher education institutions are always gathering data but often suffer from data overload. Destiny 1 dashboards empower users to leverage data in a user-friendly and actionable way. Let's look at a few examples. Here is a graph of cumulative enrollments in sections of the same course over time. Each line represents one section, with enrollment count on the y-axis and number of days relative to the section start days on the x-axis. Imagine that you're a program manager looking at enrollments in your current sections. You're worried that the numbers seem low. With this dashboard, you can highlight any section to compare it to prior sections of the same course. Immediately, you can tell if this course historically fills up early or if learners rush to enroll at the last minute. This trend would be difficult to assess in a static tabular report with raw numbers. Using this information, you may decide to increase marketing efforts to fill a section. Here is a second example. This is a bar chart showing total school revenue on the y-axis and years or months in different years on the x-axis. You can easily compare revenue in each month in the current year. But importantly, you can also instantly compare revenue in the same month for prior years. If you're tasked with compiling this sort of data for your institution's annual report, you know it might take weeks of staff effort. Staff can then use filters to view institutional or specific departments' data. Using charts such as this one for revenue and enrollments, you can see trends instantly and more quickly react to changing stats. Here is another example. More and more professional and continuing education schools are offering courses online, reaching learners throughout the country and around the world. Schools often produce reports of where your learners are from to better focus your marketing dollars. But unlike static reports, this dashboard is a real-time plot of enrollments on a map, so you can visualize the data, filter by program, and click on any point for more detail. Without the right tools, this kind of visualization would take a lot of time to produce. In this next example, you can see in one consolidated view all enrollments taken on every day of the week of multiple years. The dark red cells are days with the highest number of enrollments. Orange are medium, and yellow are low enrollment days. It allows staff to quickly see trends to forecast when specific heavy periods of enrollment are predicted. Our customers can use this chart to plan registration staff holidays and staff up for peak periods. The next two examples show top 10 lists of courses and certificates. You probably know what are your best performing courses and certificates, but showing the data in this fun graphical format allows you to see by just how much the top performers get compared to the others. In some cases, it's rather striking at how well the top one or two items are compared to all others. These can also be instantly filtered for the institution as a whole or for specific departments. Our final example is a simple timeline of student purchase activity. The different shapes represent course section enrollments and purchases of other ad hoc items from the school. The y-axis is a timeline. In typical student information systems, you can bring up lists of historical enrollments and other purchases, but the ability to view these clustered on a timeline gives you an instant appreciation of how long that customer has been engaged with you, and whether they're a consistent customer or tend to have bursts of activity over time. Clicking on any point also allows you to see more details. Dashboards like this allow your frontline staff to offer better customer service by quickly understanding the type of student they're working with. Would you like to learn more? Please contact us for a personalized demonstration.